Google, LLC is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products, which include online advertising technologies, a search engine, cloud computing, software, and hardware. It is considered one of the Big Five technology companies in the U.S. information technology industry, alongside Amazon, Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft. 9-10-11. Google was founded in September 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were Ph.D. students at Stanford University in California. Together they own about 14% of its shares and control 56% of the stockholder voting power through supervoting stock. They incorporated Google as a California privately held company on September 4, 1998, in California. Google was then reincorporated in Delaware on October 22, 2002. 12. An initial public offering, IPO, took place on August 19, 2004, and Google moved to its headquarters in Mountain View, California, nicknamed the Googleplex. In August 2015, Google announced plans to reorganize its various interests as a conglomerate called Alphabet Incorporated. Google is Alphabet's leading subsidiary and will continue to be the umbrella company for Alphabet's internet interests. Sundar Pichai was appointed CEO of Google, replacing Larry Page, who became the CEO of Alphabet. The company's rapid growth since incorporation has triggered a chain of products, acquisitions, and partnerships beyond Google's core search engine, Google Search. It offers services designed for work and productivity, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, email, Gmail, scheduling and time management, Google Calendar, cloud storage, Google Drive, instant messaging and video chat, Duo, Hangouts, Chat, and Meet, language translation, Google Translate, mapping and navigation, Google Maps, Waze, Google Earth, and Street View, podcast hosting, Google Podcasts, video sharing, YouTube, blog publishing, Blogger, note-taking, Google Keep and Google Jamboard, and photo organizing and editing, Google Photos. The company leads the development of the Android mobile operating system, the Google Chrome web browser, and Chrome OS, a lightweight operating system based on the Chrome browser. Google has moved increasingly into hardware. From 2010 to 2015, it partnered with major electronics manufacturers in the production of its Nexus devices, and it released multiple hardware products in October 2016, including the Google Pixel line of smartphones, Google Home Smart Speaker, Google Wi-Fi Mesh Wireless Router, and Google Daydream Virtual Reality Headset. Google has also experimented with becoming an internet carrier, Google Fiber, Google Fi, and Google Station. 13. Google.com is the most visited website worldwide. Several other Google-owned websites also are on the list of most popular websites, including YouTube and Blogger. 14. Google was the most valuable brand in the world in 2017, surpassed by Amazon. 15. But has received significant criticism involving issues such as privacy concerns, tax avoidance, antitrust, censorship, and search neutrality. Google began in January 1996 as a research project by Larry Page and Sergey Brin when they were both Ph.D. students at Stanford University in Stanford, California. 16. The project initially involved an unofficial third founder, Scott Hassan, the original lead programmer who wrote much of the code for the original Google search engine, but he left before Google was officially founded as a company. 17-18. Hassan went on to pursue a career in robotics and founded the company Willow Garage in 2006. 1920. While conventional search engines ranked results by counting how many times the search terms appeared on the page, they theorized about a better system that analyzed the relationships among websites. 21. They called this algorithm PageRank. It determined a website's relevance by the number of pages, and the importance of those pages that linked back to the original site. 22-23. Page told his ideas to Hassan, who began writing the code to implement Page's ideas. 17. Page and Brin originally nicknamed the new search engine Backrub, because the system checked backlinks to estimate the importance of a site. 24-25-26. Hassan as well as Alan Sterenberg were cited by Page and Brin as being critical to the development of Google. Rajiv Motwani and Terry Winograd later co-authored with Page and Brin the first paper about the project, describing PageRank and the initial prototype of the Google search engine, published in 1998. Hector Garcia Molina and Jeff Ullman were also cited as contributors to the project. 27. PageRank was influenced by a similar page ranking and site scoring algorithm earlier used for RankDex, developed by Robin Lee in 1996, with Larry Page's PageRank patent including a citation to Lee's earlier RankDex patent. Lee later went on to create the Chinese search engine Baidu. 28, 29, 30. Eventually, they changed the name to Google. The name of the search engine originated from a misspelling of the word Google, 3132, the number 1 followed by 100 zeros, which was picked to signify that the search engine was intended to provide large quantities of information. 33. The domain name www.google.com was registered on September 15, 1997, 35, and the company was incorporated on September 4, 1998. It was based in the garage of a friend, Susan Wojcicki 16, in Menlo Park, California. Craig Silverstein, a fellow Ph.D. student at Stanford, was hired as the first employee. 1636-37. Google was initially funded by an August 1998 contribution of $100,000 from Andy Bechtolsheim, co-founder of Sun Microsystems. The money was given before Google was incorporated. 38. Google received money from 3 other angel investors in 1998, Amazon.com founder Jeff Bezos, Stanford University computer science professor David Sheridan, and entrepreneur Ram Shriram. 39. Between these initial investors, friends, and family, Google raised around $1 million, which is what allowed them to open up their original shop in Menlo Park, California. 40.